What's good, y'all? My name Tay. I go by Tay Cut That on all socials. I'm finna show y'all how to do a quick taper in 2 minutes. So first you grab the one guard with the lever closed, and then you creating a panel to come through. And what you're doing with the one guard is creating a soft line so it's easier to take out later on in the taper. Next, you take your half guard, and what you're gonna do is do the same thing you just did with the one guard all the way up to the line and create that next panel. After the half guard, you take your lever closed with no guard on there, and you're going to flick at that bottom guideline. And what that's going to do is blend into the top a little bit more. And if you end up pushing the line up, just open your lever a little more and you'll get that line up. All right, now we're going to go in with the 1.5 guard because you use the guard size higher every time you go into the next panel. Make sure you make the section big enough to be able to blend it out with that one guard too, because you're going to follow it up. So now we got the one guard, and I'm showing you you're going to have to go open, halfway, and then closed. And closed should take it out, and if it don't take it out all the way, you can come back with that half guard closed and flick at that ghost line that's there. Next, you got a 2 guard open, and what you're doing right now, you just blending into the bulk. You see how the other lines is all gone? Now you're just trying to blend it into the dark hair at the top. And then you should be done with the rest of the blend. Now you just detail work. I use the same steps on the side tapers as I did on the back too. I just didn't record because it's faster for the back. But there's the finished product. Y'all let me know what you think.